That's what the goal is. I mean, to the extent you get higher incomes because you're investing a lot more, that may be good, but you know you have to subtract out the cost of the capital to measure how much net improvement there is over, say, over some lifetime or some discounted value sense. So productivity is what you try to get. You try to get something for nothing, or for very little. That's when the economy is functioning better. So now we have an increase in let's say, demand for college graduates. The rate of return on this investment has gone up. That's a good thing. You're getting bigger bang for your buck. Yes, you want more people to be induced to go, and if you allow these prices to respond, that's a good thing. So it's associated with greater inequality, which may not be good. I mean, it has been a significant increase in earnings and inequality since 1980. A lot of that related to the increase in the benefits for more skill, not only education, but other measures of skill. So if you look, I mean, it's shown in a lot of ways. You look at residual in some regression of, let's say, earnings on education and experience. The coefficient on education goes up, has gone up. Coefficient on experience has risen a little. And the residual has risen a lot. So more inequality in the residual, and people have tried to track that down. At least see some evidence that because the more skilled people aren't captured by education and experience, are getting more returns. Okay. So that would be saying, well, there's higher rates of return to investing in skill. That's good. You may want to combat that in various ways, but you have to be careful if you don't combat it in ways where you reduce the incentive to take advantage of this, because you want more people. If the productivity in this sector goes up, you want, just like the productivity of real capital went up, you want more investment in real capital. Right? Generally, you'll get that unless there are hindrances to it. That's what you want here. Right? So the way to think about the inequality issue, the way I think you should be thinking about the inequality issue, is, well, why aren't more people taking advantage of that increase, in the very big increase in the returns to college? As I mentioned last time, the average college premium since then in U.S.